Hi there, it's Mrs. Hobart. Today we're going to learn how to clone yourself. Do you ever get tired of repeating the directions to the same station 500 times? Or you just wish that you had a way to deliver instruction to students in a more small group kind of way without being there? Well, this is the way to do it. We're going to learn today how to create instructional tutorials within Seesaw to share with students. So I'm going to show you today how to do that. We're going to start in Seesaw by clicking the green plus, and we're going to go to Post to Student Journal. We're going to be creating a video to show students how to do something. Once I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and start recording. Hi students, today we're going to learn how to play Shake 10, Spill 10, Count 10. You'll need 10 counters. You'll shake them, spill them out, count up how many yellows and how many reds you have. I have 4 yellows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reds. And then write a number sentence to show what you did. Repeat this process until the station is complete. Then make sure you turn in your work with your name on it. Click the stop button, green check. You can caption it with the name of the station to help you find it easily. Green check. Now, when we get to the tagging, we're not going to tag anyone because if we tag a student, it's going to send that into their journal. So we're going to leave it without tagging anyone. And you can put it into a folder. Maybe you want to make a folder called Math Stations, something to that effect. So I would place them into a folder that you've made. Then click the green check. And now let me show you how to get it to the students. So I like to put these into stations a lot so kids can go over, find out how to do it, and get busy quickly. So once it has posted to your journal, I'm going to go here to the station direction and click these 3 dots, and I'm going to click print with QR code. So I'm going to get a 1-sheet piece of paper that I can put into that station. The kids will come to the station, scan it quickly scan the QR code quickly, be linked to this video to get directions, and then begin their work. So this is a great way to remind students of the directions. Hopefully that helps you, and can't wait to hear your feedback on the station.